Now that we have made the first changes in our file, we will want to run the tests to see if everything is correct. To do that, we will first need to install the dependencies required to run those tests. We are not going to install all the dependencies in the global scope of our operating system. We're going to use a utility named virtualenv. Virtualenv let us isolate the dependencies installed and the running Python application in our system, so we can have different virtualenvs isolated from each other, each one of them with possibly different dependencies installed. To create a virtualenv, we're going to use the virtualenv command line command, and we need to pass a name that resonates for us. For example, I'm just going to call this calculator env. As you see, a few seconds ago, the virtualenv is created. The virtualenv is just a directory inside our project, as you can see here. It has a special set of folders and files that we don't have to care much about right now. The important part is that for us to work on a virtualenv, we will have to activate it first. When we activate the virtualenv, we will be dropped inside that virtualenv, and all the changes that we do will be isolated just for that virtualenv. To activate the virtualenv, you just need to use the source command and point to the bin activate file inside your virtualenv. So it's going to be source, your virtualenv directory, bin activate. We can see here before our bash prompt the name of our virtualenv. That means that the virtualenv is currently active. So any action that I take right now will be isolated just to this virtualenv. Now I need to install the dependencies for my tests. To do that, I'm going to use the pip command pointing to the dependencies listed in our dev requirements file. As you can see, to run our tests, we require pytest, tox, and coverage. So let's install them. Once the dependencies are installed, I can see that I am able to use the programs that I have just installed. I am not going to tell you how to run the test right now. That's going to be the subject for the next section.